Good day, sir. I am Jumel Unido, and I will be presenting our IoT project. My group member is Ibong. First, you need to connect to the internet and enter the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password. And also enter the ESP32 CAM. After that, copy the link provided below and paste it into any web browser, such as Edge or Chrome. At dito naman po sa Edge Impulse, go to data acquisition and just wait a few seconds, then add data, upload data, then select a folder, choose files, then wait a second, then upload, enter level, then twister, upload data, uploading lang po siya, then wait lang. Then after you done uploading, go to labeling queues, then magle-level ka dito ng mga outputs, ganun po. Enter level, third tweezer, set level, then scroll down, save levels. Wait lang po. Previous, ulit lang. Updating. Save levels. Save. Save ka na. Yan. Yan na po, save na po siya. Okay na. Save level. And after that, go to create impulse. Save. Add learning block. Add save impulse. Images. Save parameters. Generate features. Saving, wait, pause ulit, pause. And after that, go to object direction, set to 0.01 training. Then wait mo lang po na matapos yung training output. Pause ulit. Pagkatapos po matapos yung training output, just wait a few seconds. Kinakalculate pa lang po. Calculating. Tapos pagkatapos naman po is magpapakita na ito. Then pag nagpakita na ito, tapos na po. Just wait to the next step. Go to deployment, then search the Android, then Arduino library, then save, build, building na po. Just wait a few seconds, then build Arduino library. So after you building, go back to the code, then just wait a few seconds until it is done. Yan. Just wait till complying done. Then after that, this is the output. Then parang kinukuha po ng nagpapakita na po dito yung output ng image ganun. Dito na po sir. Na-detect na niya po kung anong bagay o tweezer or nail clipper.